Alright. This is Shar from the original House of Seduction, and I'm Freaky Seduction. I want to give a shout out to the studs and to the films, which is my brothers and my sisters. I want to give a shout out to my mom and my daddy. You know, I'm the youngest out of the whole thing, so I guess I'm the baby. But I want to tell y'all that I love y'all for the new ones, or if y'all been in there for a minute and ain't been on Facebook like that. I love y'all, you know what I'm saying? Uh, I will be texting y'all and calling y'all and writing y'all more and everything to let y'all know that I care and I love y'all and everything. But I'm gonna just keep this short. But I just really wanted to give a shout out to y'all. I want to give a personal shout out to my favorites in there though, which is Verbal, Dangerous, and Sexual. They're my favorite brothers, which is Brent Brat, Teddy Kid, and my bad, bro. And Batman, my bad, dude. They're my favorites, brothers. Probably because I ain't talked to the other ones, but I talked to them more, so they're my favorites. My favorite sister is my twin, which is Cookie. And then my other favorite bro in there is her girlfriend, because she go with my sister. And me and her didn't have like combos and stuff like that, you know, and it was good, you know what I'm saying? Like, she a good person to talk to and everything. I'm gonna give a shout out to Princess, because if it wasn't for Princess, after the Explosives had broke up, we wouldn't like be, you know, other type of thing, but you didn't put us in there and everything, you know what I'm saying? Trigger, you too, I ain't forget about you, man. I want to just give a shout out to y'all, and I just want to let y'all know that I love y'all. People outside of the original Seduction, you know what I'm saying? I love y'all too. People who's trying to get in, you know, I wish y'all luck. You know what I'm saying? I don't mean that in a mean way or nothing. I just saying, you know, it want her to have more brothers and sisters. I don't know if we're not allowed to have favorites, but I mean, them is my favorites. And Cocky Seduction, you know, that's my favorite brother too. But that's basically all I gotta say for right now. And I'm tired, so I'm about to go to sleep. It's September 6th, I think. And me and Bella's still going out, and she got my heart right now. But I just want to let her know that I love her too, if she see this video. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm out.